Produce a comprehensive tutorial on elevating landscape photography through advanced color grading and sky replacement techniques. Teach selective editing using adjustment layers and layer masks to enhance certain landscape elements while leaving others untouched. Demonstrate the detailed process of replacing boring skies with dramatic alternatives, including proper masking along complex horizons with mountains or trees. Cover atmospheric perspective adjustments, enhancing natural elements like water reflections and foliage, and creating mood through color grading. Include techniques for blending sky replacements naturally and maintaining realistic lighting relationships.